In this video, I'm going to be giving you the exact levels I'm looking at for the next trade I'm taking and what trades I'm currently in right now and how I'm approaching the market. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So right off the bat, we know that we've hit a key level point. I've been highlighting this in my last video, which was specifically this box region. Okay, I was boxing this out as a zone that spanned from here. We're currently a little bit higher than I expected, but that being said, still very, very good zone. The reason being is volume is residing here, and we've already hit a large chunk of it. Also, the fact that we have a Fibonacci zone, which is very, very nicely, it's pumped up a little bit higher, but we're down beneath it. We're also back beneath the this entire range value area high, as you can see right over here. So these are little deviation scores, deviation points here, as you can see. We've got a deviation point here, a deviation point here, and a deviation point here. So the question is, where do we go next? And I'm actually thinking lowest to the target. And the reason I believe lower is because a lot of the liquidity analysis is telling me that there's a higher chance we're going to hit down to these targets and come down lower. Now, regarding order flow, what do we see in the order flow? Let's move this chart over here so we can get a clear point. The order flow is showing that we have, on this run up, we had a lot of longs enter, and they since closed on this position here. So they're taking profit. So it hasn't been a company with a lot of shorts yet, but a lot of profit taking took place here. So that isn't necessarily the strongest rejection. But if you look at it, we have some VWAP support coming in here. Fixed range volume point, we've got that coming in. We're actually beneath it now. But this zone here ties in nicely locally. But yeah, am I looking for a trade there? Absolutely not. Am I currently in a short? Yes, I am in a short right now. What else am I expecting? Really, it's just we're back into the range, as you can see. Ooh, move that over here. Like that, we're back in. The target is definitely down here for me. If we don't hit that, then the support zone is this zone right there. Other than that, I just want to cover my next trade setup with you guys because that's my next point. If you're not in a trade now, then that's unlucky because this is a nice level. Just next wise, we're running out of confluences really. So I would say there's not much else to trade. If I had to pinpoint, I'd say the rectangle up here would be a level I'm looking at. And then I would say, let's have a look. This is more of a profit-taking zone rather than an actual zone to take a trade because look how many touches we have here. Like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many. So it's like, I don't think it's that good of a level to be taking a trade from. And then to the downside, what do we got here? Got this. But then we've already hit that. So this level's already invalidated in the sense that we've already hit this level. So it's not really relevant anymore for me. And then what else? Yeah, look, running out, I'm not going to lie. We're definitely running out of levels to be looking at. We can chuck on a naked VWAP. Yeah, it ties in nice with the point of control. Yeah. All right, I'm going to keep it very, very clear. Short trade up here. Long trade at these lows here. At this level, it's invalidated already. It's just not useful. And then the next long trade is also down here, okay? So other than that, I'm not touching any trades. I'll remain in my short trade. And yeah, I think that's about it. I don't think this video is going to be long. I think it's very, very clear. If you guys want to join me in trade, hit me up, guys. Join the channel right over here, and we can absolutely get to it and trade. And yeah, helps the channel grow. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next update. For now, catch you later and have a great day.